There was once a large warehouse logistics company that ran entirely on manual labor. Day after day, workers lifted heavy loads. The work was exhausting, dangerous, and frankly, no one really wanted to do it. Those who showed up did so for the money, not because they felt safe or fulfilled. Over time, workers began falling sick. Mistakes started happening not out of carelessness, but out of sheer human limitation. And then one day, it happened. A near-fatal accident inside the warehouse, one small moment of negligence, one tired decision, and a life almost lost. That was the day the owner realized something had to change. He didn't want a warehouse that depended on exhausted humans to do dangerous, repetitive work. He wanted reliability. He wanted safety. He wanted peace of mind. That's when he came across AutomateX, a company that specialized in complete warehouse automation, using intelligent robots to take over the repetitive, heavy, and hazardous tasks that humans were never meant to do endlessly. The decision was made. The warehouse was automated. Robots took over the dangerous work. Accuracy improved. Efficiency soared. And most importantly, people were no longer being put at risk. Today, the owner sleeps peacefully. No fear of accidents. No fear of human error caused by fatigue. No fear of tomorrow. So the question is, what are you waiting for? Call AutomateX today and sleep peacefully.